Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? You're welcome back. You're welcome to Trade Up. You're welcome to Trade Up. We are back with a bumper strategy for volatility 10 index using the 1 hour time frame. It's a bumper strategy. This strategy, I've backtested it way back to September, August last year. It's a winning strategy. Out of 10 times, it may only hit stop loss like once. This strategy is bomb. This strategy is bomb. I can tell you for sure this is your easiest way you can make money. It's a 1 hour time frame, so it's definitely a swing trade. So you have to be patient. You have to be patient, okay? You have to be patient. Now, let's go into the strategy. As you can see, whenever there is a cross upward from the CCI, whenever there's a crop upward from the CCI and also a cross on the above the moving average, when a candle closes successfully above the moving average and closes successfully above the CCI 0 level, you enter a buy position. You enter a buy position and you buy. Then your stop loss, you're going to use your stop loss to be at a level of about three candles before your entry candle. The closing of that candle is where you put your stop loss, and you use a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So it's a bomber strategy. Use a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You can see this is an ongoing trade. When I was recording this video, it's an ongoing trade, and it's working well. It's working well. It's a good strategy. You can see you set your stop loss here, and your take profit will be at about 2 times your stop loss. Take profit should always be about 2 times your stop loss. You can see if you target your take profit at that region there, around 67.50, it will hit it. It's a winning strategy. You can see you enter your buy position there. Then your take profit will be around 67.56. It's a bomber. It's a winning strategy. You can check the date. And also go and verify yourself if this trade was actually a successful trade. Okay, you can check the trade yourself if it was a successful trade. Now let's go back. You can see this one here. You can see the CCI. It went below the 0.0 level. You can see it there. The CCI went above the 0.0 level, and you can see the first candle that will close below since a sell. The candle also close below the moving average. You can see in this particular candle, the close of that bearish candle, that's when you enter a sell market, and you put your stop loss at the at three candles, okay, 3 candles before the point of entry. That's where you put your stop loss. You can see if you put your stop loss there, the market is going to sell drastically, and you are going to do a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You can see there now. You can see for yourself how the market played out. It's a good sell after a minor pullback, and you can see when the pullback occurred. The CCI, it did not cross above, but it crossed above the moving average. This is another one. You can see the moving average is being crossed above, cannot cross above the moving average, and also the same thing the CCI. So there, right there, you enter your buy position. at this point, and you put your stop loss. And you can see the market will aim at around 2-to-1 and above ratio. You make good profit, good money. This is your easiest strategy. You can fund the account with about $100 and turn it to about $10,000 in 2 months. I can guarantee you that. You can see here again, this is another selling opportunity. You can see here exactly the same points. You can see for yourself exactly the same point. When the CCI crosses below the 0.0 and the moving average the candle crosses below the moving average, that is a sweet sale. You put your stop loss there, and also you take a sell. And also, this is another opportunity, is a buying opportunity. It's a buying opportunity. You can see clearly here that there at this point the CCI crossed above the 0.0, and also the moving averages, the candle has crossed above. The two has to go together. The two has to go together. You put your stop loss here, and the next thing, boom, you have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's another one there. Then this one too is another one there. This one is another one there. You can see the CCI going above the 0.0, and you can see the moving average too. A candle has closed above. When the candle closes above, you take your buy position. This is above, so you take your buy position. You do your risk to reward ratio, and boom, you achieve your target. Please and please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of strategies. Please endeavor to subscribe, so that you encourage us to like the video, subscribe, like the video, so that more people will see it and will dish out more good strategies. This is another opportunity. You can see the crossing over in the CCI there, and also at the moving average there. It's crossed above, so it's a buy market. You put your stop loss there, 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and boom, it's a buy market. This is another opportunity again. The CCI selling below the 0.0 level, and the same thing happened there. You have to wait. If the CCI has sold, and the moving average, there is no candle below, you have to wait for the moving average, for the candle to close below it for a sell market. That's the confirmation. You can see there, you put your stop loss at that point, and you can see a sweet sell. This is another opportunity. You can see the CCI crossing above. The CCI must have to cross above. The same thing, you must have to have a candle that has to cross above the moving average for a buy market. You can see it there. You put your stop loss there, 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Boom, that's a sweet sell. This is another sweet opportunity. You can see way back 1st of January. I back tested it way back to 1st of January. You can see it here. You can see that the moving average, it's closed below, and also the CCI has crossed that line. That is a sweet sell. You can see how that market sold. You can see the market selling. You put your stop loss there, and the market sell. The same thing happens here in a buy market. You can see the CCI has closed above. The same thing with the moving average. The candles, a bullish candle has closed above. So at that point, you place your buy market. You place your buy market, and boom, you have your 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That is perfect. This one too is another perfect example. You can never go wrong with this strategy. We have numerous strategies. You know, strategies. We have numerous strategies back to back. And you can never go wrong. You can see this one too. You can see how it is performing. You put your stop loss there. Even after the pullback, you see it must keep selling. You can see the sell. It's a sweet sell right there. You just have to be patient. Remember, it's a swing strategy, so you just have to be patient. Sometimes it may have a massive pull back, but don't worry. As long as your CCI is below, it must sell. You can see. Let me show you the settings now. I will first of all delete them, so that you see how I will set it up again. First thing first, you can see now it is a plain screen. We'll add our moving average. You can see the period is 200, shift 0, method linear weight. Please, the method have to be linear weight. The method is linear weight applied to close. Then your pixel, depending on your phone background, pixel 4 is okay. I'm using a white background. That is for the moving average. The next one we are going to use is the commodities channel index. You type in the commodities channel index. Your period is period 100. Then you apply to typical price. You can see typical price. Then your pixel, I'm using 3 pixels. Then your level, and the level, it has to be 0.0. Please, your level, it has to be 0.0. Your level has to be 0.0. If you type in 0.0, it will bring in 0 as a result. you put in a good color, and you come back here. That is how the strategy works. You can see that is how the strategy works. You can see all these are clear entries that you use to make money. Clear entries that you use to make money. You can see the sell. This strategy doesn't like it. Is the easiest way. You can fund an $100 account and make as high up to $10,000 if you are patient with this strategy. If you are patient with this strategy, you can make up to $10,000 in less than 2 months. In less than 2 months, depending on what you are using to trade. Depending on what you are using to trade, it's an easy strategy. You set it, you set your stop loss, you go about to do what you are doing, and you are sure that it will lead your take profit. As I said, 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That is it. You can see it's a clear entry. You can see numerous entries. Let's go back. Let me take you back. Let me take you back, way back to last year, so that you don't just think I'm just talking about it. This is 9th of January, the 9th of December 2022. This on the 9th of December, you can see the crossing. It is crossing above the 0 level of the CCI, and also is a candle crossing above, closing. It is closing above the moving average, the linear moving average. This is a good buy. You can see another one here. You can see another one here. It is crossing above the 0 level and also crossing at the CCI there. Crossing above. So it's a sweet buy. You make your money. This strategy never fails. You keep making money. I can tell you for free, you make money. Please, this is Trade Up. This is Trade Up Forex Academy. Please endeavor to subscribe and like this video. Endeavor to subscribe and like this video. There is so much more in stock. I'm releasing so much videos to come. The next video, one of the next videos I'll be releasing is how you can get a perfect stop loss without it eating your making a pullback to eat your trade. A perfect stop loss that works. A perfect stop loss strategy that you use to work. That strategy works across currency pairs and all. But this particular strategy, it works on volatility 10 index on the 1 hour time frame. Please. The 1 hour time frame, please. 1 hour time frame. And also, if you're having it difficult to trade the forex market, you can join my Telegram. You can join my Telegram link. I will drop it in the description of this video. And also, you can use the link of my recommended broker for trading synthetic indices. Yes, it will be in the link of the description of this video. I will put it there. You can check and register. And also, if you want to get one-on-one with me, please, you can use the Telegram. If you go to the Telegram, you can have my username on the Telegram and also chat me up directly. I will guide you. This is our year. We have to make a lot of money. Thank you for listening. I really appreciate everybody that has